Hello, welcome to this Canon Service Support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to scan multiple documents as one file or as separate files per certain number of pages. Click on the Scan and Send option from the Home menu. Next, click on the File Format option. Here we see that the PDF format is selected. Click on the Divide into Pages option. You can select the number of pages per file. If you want each page to be a separate file, set the number to 1. Click OK to enable the option. If you wish to disable it and have all scanned documents as one file, open the File Format page again, click on the Enable Divide into Pages option and then press Cancel Settings. You can always contact Canon Support if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching and see you next time.